Hey guys, so the products that I'm using is this 40 volume developer. I'm using I actually forgot the shampoo, but I have the conditioner. I'm also using the BW2 powder, bleaching powder. I wasn't really sure about the proportion that I wanted to use, so I kind of just went with the flow. I was also watching a YouTube video on the amount that people use when bleaching the knots of their wig. So I went with 2 scoops. I add the developer, and once I was mixing it, I realized that I kind of needed some more developer to add in there because it was not liquidy. It was kind of lumpy, so I had to add a little bit more in there and mix it around.
My stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening?
So guys, I'm not really familiar with bleaching wigs. I've tried it once, but it never worked out. But I actually took the time to bleach this wig specifically. So when I was watching the YouTube video, they said that you don't really press too much onto the lace so it doesn't get onto the hair, and that's what I was doing. So I did this the first time, and then once I washed it off, I kind of realized that I wasn't really seeing if the notch, I wasn't really noticing if the notch was actually bleached. So I went over it again and applied a second layer, and the second layer seemed fine to me, so I just went with that. And then yeah.
In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. You're nervous when you go. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email?
So I like to go over, not go over, I like to use the Ebony New York freeze spray on my edges because, as you guys can see, I kind of have hairy sideburns and edges, so I had to spray my hair and comb them back in place because I did not want to get any hair all over the place while I'm applying the glue. So
I wonder if you know, do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were trying to start for a sign. What's the reason why? You're always
alright, you guys, so when I'm applying the wig, I literally be all over the place. So I had to put the wig on my head to see how or where exactly I had to position the wig and make sure it was straight and it fits on my head perfectly because y'all, I have a big head, y'all. So I had to adjust the sides so I made sure it fit around my ears perfectly. Get into my nails, period. So when I'm applying my wigs, y'all, I said applying, when I'm installing my wigs, y'all, I like to use 2 different type of glue and mix them. The boho glue, at first I used to like it, but now I kind of see like it doesn't really help with sweat or whatever. It still holds the wig down, but knowing how my body temperature is, I sweat a lot, so I had to mix it with the Ebony New York glue. Now the Ebony New York glue is a very good glue, but it's very, very sticky and it kind of damage your edges. But
yeah. Just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy. I don't know, but I can have it around you. Around you, boy. You're always, you do. I love it, I love it. Yes, I love it, baby. But I don't know, for some reason, I can't picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my mind. Around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know.
So I think I added about like 4 to 5 layers because I had to make sure this wig stayed on my head, y'all, because it was not, I was not about to have this wig slipping off my head. So I think I applied about 4, not 4, I think 3 to 4 layers of glue.
I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, you're nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were trying to start for a sign. What's the reason? Wait, yeah. You're always, hey, sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey, baby. I know. Baby, when I something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out. Just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy. I don't know, but I can have it around you. Around you, boy. You're always, you do. I love it, yes, I love it, baby. But I don't know, for some reason, I can't picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my mind. Around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk out. When I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, you're nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. wonder if you know, do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know, baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy. When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. When you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know, baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy. I don't know, but I can have it around you. When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. Oh, yeah. Baby, we're mine, yeah. hair and my nails. I feel myself in the zone when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. What's on the stars outside? What's the reason why? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're always hey, sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey, baby. I know. Baby, something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. I don't know, but I can have it around you. When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my mind. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. What's on the stars outside? What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey, baby. I know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep.
Alright, you guys, so that's it for today's video. Really slayed this hair, yo. Like, I love it. The hair was so soft. It was easy to manage. It wasn't too heavy. It was just the perfect wig, y'all. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.